Hey guys, it's Shelby and Panos here at the Olsen Girls Garage. Today we're going to be welding a cleat. We're going to be welding the grouser to the cleat.
Welding the grouser to the cleat. What are we working on? What machine?
So we are working on a 1980s Tucker Sno-Cat.
Okay, our pontoon cat.
Yeah.
Shelby's going to show us how to weld it?
Yep.
Okay. Get it?
Yep.
Okay, she got her tacked in there. Not too bad, huh?
Yeah, not too bad.
Not too bad. So that's what we're building. Here, Shelby, we'll take that ground clamp off. Flip it over and show them.
So, that's what it'll be.
That's what it's going to be. So that's where your pins go in, and that's how the tracks connect together. We've had to build all these little pieces and stuff we're welding together.
Bye guys, stay tuned. Keep watching. Bye.